Welcome to Silves, the capital of the medieval Muslim kingdom of the Algarve. Together we'll walk from the boundary of this historic city, established before Roman times. You'll see winding streets leading to an ancient castle, discover beautiful sculptures and architecture, as we then head down to finish in the riverside parklands. When you visit, it's worth starting with a coffee and the freshly squeezed juice of local oranges. Silves is popular with hikers and cyclists.
Hi.
Nice bike.
Bom dia.
At the city entry gate, you'll walk on 14th century medieval street pavement. The turret protected the city's main street and the town hall, built at the top. A shady walk takes you up to the red sandstone Gothic cathedral built over the old mosque. Next to the cathedral, you'll find the largest castle in the Algarve. It was built in the 4th century on what was originally a Roman fort. Silves' famous medieval fair is usually held here. The fortress walls take you along a path down to a park and monument. If you're interested in history and art, you'll be happy to know the city features great museums and galleries too. What you see here is dedicated to Al-Mutamid, appointed ruler by the age of just 13. It represents his influence on poetry, music, and singing in the city. Finally, we're walking along the 𝙟𝙾 River.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying.
You'll pass white stork nests, the municipal market, and the Roman bridge. Thanks for watching. I hope you can see Silves is worth visiting. Next time,
started as a whisper, message from a new world.
come see Tavira. How much does holiday accommodation cost? It starts from around €40 a night, including breakfast.